Hey friends, if you wish to sign up to Roblox on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Roblox in the Windows search bar and then go to Roblox. Okay, it will start checking for updates and it will load Roblox. Now click on create account, choose your birth date, okay, and I'll show you how it's done. And then click on this and you can set a username. So I will search for this one. Okay, and then at least 6 characters. Okay, and then gender optional. Why should it be optional though? Click on create account. And that's it. I have signed up. It will also create an automatic DP for me. And then I can start playing the games. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.